This is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Harris Group Meet the Portfolio Day at the NASDAQ market site in New York City. I have Maurice Gunderson of Contour Energy Systems, Inc., a private company. Maurice, I want to welcome you to SNNLive.
Thanks very much, Shelley. Glad to be here. Thanks for having me here.
My pleasure. Let's get right into Contour Energy Systems. Please give our audience an overview.
Contour Energy makes batteries, advanced batteries, of two kinds. Primary, which are use once, throw away, or recycle batteries, and rechargeable batteries. They're both made on a technology platform that was developed at Caltech in the LA area. And we spun the company out of Caltech in 2007. And our first revenue came in the fourth quarter of 2010.
Congratulations.
Why, thank you.
So how does your battery differ from the old, Ever-Ready batteries?
Well, yes, that's Ever-Ready and Energizer and Rayovac and companies like that. Batteries usually win in the marketplace by having higher runtime, that is energy density, or having higher power than what came before them. And our primary batteries have both higher energy density and higher power density than the products that have been out there before.
So, price-wise, is there a difference?
They sell for a premium because of the improved performance, and of course, the end customer who puts the device into their product will pay a premium for increased performance. But actually the materials that we use, although they are unique and proprietary, are not more expensive than conventional materials, so ultimately that means the product is a profitable one for us to make.
Well, I know that in our business, in the media world, batteries for lighting, batteries for cameras, batteries for micro. Yes, we're battery oriented.
That's right, and I think the way I look at it, there's almost an infinite demand for better batteries, and every time a better battery comes out, it is adopted, and then immediately people say, "Boy, I wish it lasts longer." And so that demands even a better one. So there's a long history of the industries and consumers quickly adopting better batteries and then wanting even more. And that's the trend we trade on.
What's the enterprise solution for Contour Energy? Is it to sell to the existing brands or to do your own brand?
The answer is a bit of both, Shelley. That's for OEM replacement, the kind of thing you would buy at Walgreens or Walmart or at Radio Shack. There you certainly want to be able to sell replacement batteries for customers who already have a product. And that may be under, for example, a name brand like the ones we've talked about already. But in other applications, which are custom ones, say for medical devices and so on, where the consumer wouldn't really ordinarily be replacing their own batteries, then it'll be under the Contour name.
So that would be like a commercial application?
Commercial application, things like wearable medical devices, not necessarily implantable, but the kind of thing that you'd go to your doctor or healthcare provider to have the batteries changed. That would all be under the Contour brand.
Very interesting. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to get the website for you to go learn more about this company. What is that website?
That's www.contourenergysystems.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Maurice Gunderson of Contour Energy Systems, Inc., a private company, and we are at the Harris Group Meet the Portfolio Day at the NASDAQ market site in New York City. Maurice, thanks for coming on to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley. Pleasure.
My pleasure.